vessel, find the hidden object. And we did it! For vessel, we treated a shot. Now for our next featured bird.
Well,
there you go. The show has officially started. A round of applause for Chaco with Trader Mark. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Mikey. So here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object?